This isn't just a car, this is a crown jewel of American muscle. The 1955 Ford Fairlane Crown Victoria. Rare, regal, unforgettable. In a world of ordinary classics, there are a few that stand above the rest. Introducing the 1955 Ford Fairlane Crown Victoria, a car that's not just seen, it's remembered. Only 5% of all Fairlanes built that year wore this crown. And today you're looking at a perfect example, an icon reborn in its factory-correct Regency Purple and Snowshoe White. Step inside and you're not just sitting in a classic, you're commanding a work of art. The interior mirrors the exterior color story with purple and white tones that make every detail pop. Custom touches like a center console cup holder, cold-blowing AC, and plush carpeting make modern driving a pleasure. But the soul of this car? It's in the details. The plexiglass speedometer, the white piping, and the stitching inspired by the era's bold style. Underneath, a heart of modern power beats. This is no mere show engine. The 292 cubic inch V8 has been meticulously rebuilt, 030 over, milled heads, hardened valve seats, and an Eiske .425 lift cam. Paired with an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, this engine inhales deep and exhales authority through dual polished exhaust tips. An MSD ignition, aluminum radiator with electric fan, and precise supporting components ensure reliability meets performance. And when you fire it up, that unmistakable V8 growl fills the air, commanding respect from every corner of the street. Every shift of the 4-speed manual is a tactile thrill, every rev a reminder that this is not just a classic, this is a performance machine engineered for the road and the heart. The ride is smooth, poised, and refined. With power front disc brakes and sway bars front and rear, the Fairlane corners with grace yet feels alive under your hands. It's a balance of heritage and modern capability, a car that honors its 1950s roots but refuses to be confined by them. But it's more than performance. The Crown Victoria is a statement, a rare, unforgettable presence. Regency Purple, Snowshoe White, and a band of chrome that wraps over the B-pillar. Wraparound bumpers, fender skirts, and jet-inspired taillights, each element crafted to impress. Every turn of the wheel, every glance, every snapshot tells a story of elegance, distinction, and passion. Inside, the seats hug just right, the console and instrumentation offer modern convenience, and yet every detail whispers 1955. This is where nostalgia meets refinement. You don't just drive this car, you experience it. Rarity and distinction are at the heart of this cruiser. Only a handful exist in this condition. And now you have a chance to own not just a car, but a piece of history, beautifully restored, expertly upgraded, and undeniably unforgettable. The 1955 Ford Fairlane Crown Victoria, where legend meets the road. For those who demand more than a classic, this is your crown.